Here we have a 68 plate BMW 520d M Sport Touring. Now this vehicle comes with over £11,000 worth of optional extras, all of which are listed on the website. Just to mention a couple, we have the M Sport Plus package and the Comfort packages. We also have the 19-inch alloy wheels, all in excellent condition and finished in gloss black. We have the grey exterior paintwork, the LED headlights, gloss black front grills, and also a front splitter. And there's a look at that front end. Now we also have the M Performance kit on this vehicle, so as we walk around to the passenger side you can see the side skirts running along the bottom. We also have colour coded door handles, we have the black trim around the windows and the privacy glass as well for the rear passengers. Up top you'll find the roof rails with the panoramic glass sunroof that's currently open. Can also get put onto a tilt. You have the shark fin antennae and then the rear spoiler. Now we also have the front and rear parking sensors as well, with a visual display inside. We've got the dual exhaust at the back with the rear diffuser. And coming back round to the driver's side, you can see the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. If we take a look at the interior, so coming into the back quickly, you'll find we have the full leather seats, foldable armrests in the centre and fixed ISO points as well back here. We also have the vents in the centre for the rear passengers. Electric windows on the doors with the premium Harman Kardon sound system. There's a look at the roof as well from the inside. Again, both the front seats are being full black leather. They're also both heated as well, and they are electrically adjustable with the memory function for the driver's side. Electric mirrors, electric windows. We then have the automatic lights down here. Premium Harman Kardon sound system. We also have the automatic wipers, multifunctional steering wheel, which is also heated. Digital dashboard in front. Put a foot on the brake, press the start button, then the vehicle will start up. Stalk down there for the steering wheel as it is electrically adjustable. Cruise control speedometer on the left, along with the paddle shifters either side. We have the digital dashboard, which is free from any warning lights. We also have the main infotainment screen in the centre. Plenty of features on here, you would have seen all on the photos. It's currently showing the sat nav, but we do have the buttons down here so you can quickly switch through them. Click onto media, you find the radio stations. You also have the phone connectivity as well for phone calls. Further down, you'll find the wooden effect trim across the dash, also across the doors. Really nice. It's also down here in the centre. We have the intelligent safety system, making it a safe vehicle to drive. We also have the dual zone climate control for the front passengers, heated seat buttons either side, and the ice-cold air conditioning. We have the automatic gearbox with the different drive modes. So if you press onto the Eco, then you'll find we have the Eco drive mode. We also have Comfort and Sport. Changes the look of the dashboard for different drive modes, as you can see as we quickly flick through them. Putting the car into reverse, you'll find the reversing camera with the parking sensors appear on the screen. Put it back into park by pressing P. We then have the electric handbrake and auto hold button. Armrest as well in the centre. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT and free nationwide delivery. Thank you for watching.